If you spend most of your day in meetings and still find yourself organizing notes late at night, this might be one of the most interesting productivity tools you'll see this year. Hello, I'm Adam, and today we're taking a look at the AI Note 2. This is an AI-powered e-ink tablet designed for professionals who spend a lot of their time in meetings. At first glance, the AI Note 2 looks like a sleek digital notebook. It has a 10.65-inch display, it's just 4.2mm thin and weighs only 295 grams. And it even holds a Guinness World Record for its ultra-thin design. It feels incredibly lightweight and premium in the hand, but what really matters isn't just the hardware. It's the type of work this device is designed for. The AI Note 2 is aimed at professionals like executive managers, consultants, educators, and people who spend a large part of their day in discussions, meetings, and collaborative work environments. When your schedule is packed with meetings, the real challenge isn't just listening and contributing to the conversation. It's also capturing the important details while staying fully engaged. Traditional note-taking often forces you to choose between writing everything down or staying focused in the conversation. Writing by hand can interrupt communication, and typing on a laptop can sometimes feel distracting or impersonal during meetings. Then after the meeting ends, you still need to organize your notes, extract action items, and then send follow-ups. Now this is where the AI Note 2 becomes interesting, because it features AI real-time transcription that supports 16 languages with high accuracy. So while you write naturally on the e-ink display, the device converts speech into text in the background. This means you can focus on this discussion instead of trying to capture every single word. After a long meeting, the built-in AI can condense the conversation into a structured summary in just a few minutes. Instead of going through pages of notes, you get clear points, decisions, and action items. So for people attending multiple meetings every day, that kind of time saving can really make a real difference. The writing experience itself is another highlight. The AI Note 2 uses a Mobius Carta 1300 e-ink screen designed to feel much closer to writing on paper than a typical tablet display. Now there's no camera, no speaker, and no backlight. While that may sound a little bit unusual at first, removing those components can help maintain the ultra-thin design and preserve a more natural, paper-like writing experience. Compared to something like an iPad, the experience feels calmer and more focused. There are no bright lights or constant notifications competing for your attention. It feels more like working in a notebook than using a traditional digital device. Now, another useful feature is OCR, which converts your handwritten notes into digital text. Once converted, your notes become searchable and easy to organize. You can store them in folders, search for keywords, and quickly find specific information from previous meetings or projects. For professionals managing multiple clients or tasks, having that level of organization can be extremely helpful. The AI Note 2 also integrates into your workflow. You can create calendar events directly from your notes and share them throughout platforms like Outlook or Gmail. So instead of rewriting action points or manually updating your schedule, you can move from meeting discussions to actual execution much faster. Overall, what stands out about the AI Note 2 is its focus. It's not trying to replace your laptop or become an entertainment label. Instead, it's built around one single goal: helping professionals reduce the friction around meetings and note-taking so that they can truly focus more on thinking, communication, and making decisions. Like most e-ink devices, there are a few things that you do need to keep in mind. You might occasionally notice image retention, but a quick screen refresh fixes it, and because there's no backlight, it works best in well-lit environments, just like a traditional notebook. So who is this really for? If you only take occasional notes, this might be more than you need, but if meetings dominate your schedule and you want a smarter way to capture and organize information, the AI Note 2 is definitely an interesting tool to consider. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tech Utopia for more tech reviews. And let me know in the comments what you think about the AI-powered note-taking devices and whether you'd use something like the AI Note 2 in your daily workflow. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Adam from Tech Utopia, and I will see you in the next one.